That's it, I quit intros. It's a pity that no one likes them. In case you haven't realized it yet, I do like intros. Intros are nice, are fun to make, fun to watch, and they do serve a purpose. There are many reasons why people hate video intros. One of them is that they can get too long and boring. Something that I might be guilty of, making long-ish intros. Apparently, this makes people lose patience very quickly. But this last piece here, lose patience very quickly, is the true actual reason why intros are not well received. Not because they are too long, bad quality, irrelevant or whatever. No, it's because of our attention span. Let's not forget that we live in the TikTok and Shorts era and most of us have developed the attention span of a goldfish. In fact, according to a 2015 study, humans have a shorter attention span than a goldfish. Now, personally, I don't give 1.5 craps about studies and whether they are true or not, but I do know from personal experience that a video is immediately judged by the simple fact of having an intro. So unless the video starts with the creator screaming 110 words per second and offering money and giveaways in the first 2.5 seconds of the video, then it's not worth watching. Dislike, skip, and don't recommend this channel. Maybe I should try it also. Maybe I should release my daily anger in the first 5 seconds of the video. Maybe I should. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you follow this video until the end, you will not win $5,000 and you will most probably not live with the information you're searching for. But what I do promise you 100%, 1000% is a massive ear infection. Don't answer your phone at 3 AM, like, share, subscribe, tell your mama. Or maybe not. In any case, I have to give up, admit defeat and quit intros for good. But I will not quit them without a proper farewell, a goodbye parade to say it like this, a parade which serves also as a big FU to all those who hate intros. So ladies and gentlemen, and you guys, for the last time ever, the Artmann intros.